Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be making gift candles to take with me to my trip to Puerto Rico. So I have in here 6 beautiful tin cans from Candle Science, guys. I'm gonna read you the information about these. They're very nice, guys. These are the mini black infinity tin. So the material is satin base for the bottom. Let me show you. The bottom is satin and the tops are glossy. Okay, the wax weight to the fill line is gonna be 3.4 ounces. Okay, the mini black infinity tin with silver interior is a straight-sided, seamless candle tin complete with a flush fit lid that snaps closed. These petite containers fit a variety of branding styles and are also available in white, gold, silver, and bronze. Okay guys, check them out on candlescience.com. Okay, I'm gonna put the link all down below in the description box. Okay guys, now I picked 6 different fragrance oils that I love. And the reason why I picked them is because I already tested them, so I already know that I'm using number 7 wax. So this combination is gonna work out, okay? So candle number 1 is gonna have from Candle Science black violet and saffron. Let me read you the information about this one. Hold on. Okay, I'm only gonna give you the note profile. If you wanna find more information, go to the website. Okay, this fragrance note, the top note is a bergamot and geranium. Middle note, rose, violet, and raspberry. Very mysterious. And the base note, saffron, leather, and vetiver. Beautiful base note. Okay guys, next fragrance oil we're gonna be working with lavender vetiver. This is from Dupe Fragrance, so let me just go to the website. Okay, lavender vetiver, guys. The top note is lavender essence, middle note is orange blossom, and the bottom note is orchid accord. Beautiful, guys. Very delicate, very sophisticated, very expensive smelling. Okay, this is inspired by YSL Libre, which is, I already bought that perfume. It's beautiful, perfect for the fall. Okay, now the next scent is called Salt, also from Dupe Fragrance company. Let me just find it so I can give you the fragrance profile. And this is one of the fragrance oils that they sent me that I would have never ordered, guys. It's just so different, so unique. And the reason why I'm picking this one is because being that I'm going to Puerto Rico, everybody loves the ocean, everybody loves the beach, so I want to get something that they can relate to. Let's see the fragrance notes. The top note is rock salt crystals, middle note sea mist, and the bottom note beach cotton. Okay guys, they're gonna love this. Oh my god. The next fragrance oil, it's also from Dupe Fragrance company, Jasmine Sambac. Okay, let me find it. Okay, so this fragrance oil is not on stock, guys, so I'm gonna choose another fragrance oil and I'll be right back. Guys, I want to give you a fragrance oil that you can get, okay? And if this is not in stock, I'm not going to give you something that it's not be able to get it, okay? So let me just get this one, Spanish tuberose. Beautiful. And I made a candle with this already. So, okay, Spanish tuberose. The top note is Spanish tuberose. The middle note, orange blossom. And the bottom note is Jasmine Sambac. Yes, okay. Now the next fragrance oil is fresh neroli, fresh basil and neroli. This is from Dulceria Creations. Check Dulceria because they have very beautiful fragrance oils, and they also have a lot of different items that you can also find. Okay, fresh basil and neroli, guys. The top note is basil, the middle note neroli, and the bottom note is white musk and vetiver. This in itself, guys, this is a masterpiece. I have to tell you, this smells exactly like the fragrance from Jo Malone. Yeah, I tell you because I have it. I love it. Okay, the next scent that I'm going to be using from 1617, guys, is Lucky Albatross. Oh my god, that one, it's truly, well, they're all masterpieces. Again, I'm only going to tell you the fragrance notes, okay? The top note is rosewood and lemon. Middle note is neroli and nutmeg. Base note, cedarwood and cardamom. True masterpiece from 1617, guys. And by the way, guys, 1617 just came up with a new wax, number 9, coconut wax blend. Check it out. Okay, guys, so let me just put this away because I don't need this anymore. Now, okay, let's see. For these containers, guys, because they're very small, I'm gonna be using CDN's number 4, guys. Why did I come up with that? Because I followed the manufacturer's instructions. Actually, I follow 1617s because I'm going to be using number 7 wax. So they recommend if I have a container that is between 2 and 3 inches to start testing, because this is the beginning, guys. Remember, you have to test, okay? In this case, guys, I'm not going to be conducting an HT test because I know that this combination of wax and fragrance oil, they work, and I'm going to be taking this as presents, so I don't want to be giving them a candle that is already burned, okay? I have done this before, so I know this combination works, okay? That's why. Okay, so I'm going to be using a CDN number 4, guys, and let me just do the wick placement now. So what I did, guys, is I number all the different samples in here, so you know which one is which. Okay, candle number 1 is done, it's prepped. Candle number 2, watch the same thing over and over again, so this is gonna go very fast, okay? The 6 beautiful candles are ready to go, guys, and let's talk about the numbers now, okay? So, like I told you before, guys, these gift candles are gonna have 3.4 ounces, that full weight, 3.4 ounces, that's including the fragrance oil, and I'm looking for a 10% fragrance load, okay, guys? So let me just, one thing that I forgot, guys, is before I do anything else, I'm gonna put warning labels on each and every candle. That should have been step number 1, okay? You need to put a warning label on each and every one of them, guys, because they're gonna be, people are gonna be burning these. If it was for my testing, if it was only for me, I wouldn't put one, but being that I'm gonna be giving this away, you must, by law, you have to do this, okay? On the candle, and you let them know that they need to read all the directions, okay? In order to burn a candle safely, you need to be aware of all the dangers and the way you should burn this, the way you should trim the wicks, so the candle burns safely, okay? Here you go, safety first, guys, safety first, don't cut corners, okay? Don't think that because of cutting corners, you're gonna be able to save money, whatever it is. It doesn't pay. It doesn't pay, guys, for you to sell a product or to give a product that is gonna be unsafe, okay? You have to be aware, you have to make the consumer aware of how these candles should be burned, what to do, what not to do, you know, make sure that they don't burn this near a window or near any flammable curtain, stuff like that. So, and keep away from pets and children. Okay, so let's talk about the numbers, guys. Okay, so each and every candle is going to have a total fill of 3.4 ounces. So we have the calculator in here, and because I want 10% fragrance load, I'm going to do 3.4. That's the total fill times 0.10 for 10%. So I'm going to be needing for each and every candle 0.34 ounces of fragrance oil for every candle. Okay, guys, that's going to be 10% fragrance load. Okay, how much wax do we need? So we do 3.4, which is the total fill, minus 0.34, which is the 10% fragrance load, equals 3.06, okay? So we need 3.06 wax for each and every candle, okay, guys? So when you add 3.06 to 0.34, that's gonna give you 3.4 total load, okay? Total fill. Okay, guys, let's go inside and let's go start making the candle, okay? Yeah! Okay, guys, welcome back. So I have here some paper towels because I'm gonna be using these when I make my candles, okay? So let me just put this to the side. Now, because I'm gonna be making 6 different candles, guys, I'm gonna measure the wax on this aluminum foil. Because they are tiny, I'm gonna just use small amounts as I go. Okay, I need 3.06. Okay, so this is candle number 1. Okay, perfection. So guys, you know the drill. Yes, I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, every time that I'm gonna be making a candle, I'm gonna be using the same beaker. For each candle, we're gonna need 0.34 ounces of fragrance oil. Now, as I go, I'm gonna be cleaning this with alcohol and paper towels, guys, and I'm just gonna keep putting all 6 candles in the microwave now. So I'm gonna taking the Pyrex cup that I have in here that I always use. I think this is time saver and it's great. Okay, so put on the first candle there, the wax, and let's see how that goes. Okay, guys, so I'll be back once that comes into temperature. Okay, it's 207. It's fine because I don't have that much fragrance oil. I'm gonna put the fragrance oil and let it blend for a few seconds, guys, and now I'm gonna start stirring this. 20 seconds, remember I'm using number 7 wax. It smells amazing, oh my God. This black violet and saffron from Candle Science, don't fool around. They don't fool around, guys. I'm telling you, all these different fragrance oils that I'm taking here, guys, to make this beautiful fragrance, to make these candles, guys, they are truly tested, guys. So, okay, 186, so I'm ready to pour. Yes, add already tested all these fragrance oils, guys, and I know that I'm gonna be getting a beautiful fragrance hot throw, guys. Perfect. And now I'm gonna put some alcohol in here, guys, because I wanna clean this right away. So I put alcohol and the paper towel, and I'm gonna absorb all the wax that's in here. So I'm gonna be doing this off camera, guys, and I'm gonna be working on candle number 2, okay? Yes! Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to pour the last candle, candle number 6. This is Lucky Albatross. Okay, let me just put some paper towel underneath, just in case I make a mess. Okay, here we go. This is very hot. The Pirate's Cup, guys, whenever you work on the microwave, you have to be very careful, guys, because this goes very, very hot, okay? So, okay, time to pour the last candle. Beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm gonna clean up, and I'll be back once all the candles solidified for my final thoughts, okay? Yeah, success! Okay, guys, welcome back. So here are the candles. They have been completely solidified. They are still lukewarm, but I'm gonna prep them because, like I told you guys, it's gonna be for my for gift to take to Puerto Rico, guys. And I'm gonna show you what I did. I went ahead and I made some labels for each and every candle, guys, because I just want to make this such I want to make this a special present, you know. And so that's what I did. So what I did, guys, is I went to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT, okay, can you name a candle using these top notes, the top note, this middle note, and this base notes. Okay, so and then they gave me options. Okay, so that's what I use for names. So let me just, I'm gonna start prepping them now, guys, and because I have the numbers, so I know which one is which. Okay, I'm not gonna be judging this for CT or HT because I'm not gonna be lighting them up. Okay, these are gonna be for presents that I'm taking with me, guys, and they're gonna cure for a couple of weeks because I'm leaving in a couple of weeks. Okay, so let me just trim the wicks, guys. I have so much fun making the labels for these because what I did is I use the same labels that I use for my wax melts, guys. Let me show you. Just here they are. Okay. So each candle has its own name and the note profile, as you can see. Okay, and I have so much fun doing this, and I just, you know, that makes it more personal, you know, more like that it comes from the heart, you know, that you took that extra step, you know, when you go to this kind of personalization. Okay, so for candle number 1, because I have my notes in here, so I know which notes, which candle is which. Okay. So candle number 1, it's Black Violet and Saffron from Candle Science, okay? So this is number 1, okay? Now I'm gonna try, the tricky part is to make sure that I center this really well. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a towel and I'm gonna put it right in front of me in here. Okay, so let me grab the candle. Okay, the wick is not as centered as I want it to be, but you know what, guys? It's homemade, okay? So let me just make sure that everything, the CT is there. Okay, so this one I name, because I go by the profile. Okay, I think this one I name Lux Bloom. Lux Bloom is the name of this candle in here. Okay, first before I do anything, let me just clean it with alcohol, the outside, to make sure it is pristine. Let me just take my residue or anything on the sides, okay? So let me just clean this very well. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna be placing the label. And I have to be careful because I only made 1 label. I mean, I could get it reprinted again, but I just wanna make sure that this is completely centered. Guys, this looks so beautiful, my goodness. Let me just put the top in here now. This looks so bougie, guys. Oh my God, look at it. So this is candle number 1. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Yes! I'm so proud of this one. Okay. It looks so beautiful, guys. So this one is Lavender Vetiver. Okay, again, I'm gonna take the cloth with alcohol to make sure that I clean everything. And again, it has a warning sticker at the bottom. Okay, so this one is called Lavender Bliss. Yes. Okay, I'm telling you, ChatGPT. Wanna try this to be center, top and bottom too. Perfection. Candle number 2. Look how beautiful it looks, guys. Lavender Bliss. Perfection. The label could be a little bit as it's off center a little bit, but it's fine. Okay, I'm not gonna do it again. This is a lot of work. It smells like the ocean. It's amazing. So this one I named Coastal Breeze. This is the one they're gonna relate the most from all of them, guys, because Puerto Rico, everybody goes to the beach, so they recognize the scent. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Coastal Breeze. Number 4 is Spanish Tuberose. It's the name of the fragrance oil that I use, and it's from Dupe Fragrance Company. So I use lavender, vetiver, salt, and Spanish tuberose. All three are from Dupe Fragrance Company, guys. And this one I named Serenade. And guys, when I put the information on the labels, I don't put all the notes. Just put 3. This one is Serenade. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Beautiful. Okay, number 5 is Fresh Basil and Neroli. This one is for Dulceria Creations. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to store them, guys, at the end. Okay, so this one is Neroli Nirvana. This looks so expensive, guys. They look very, very, very expensive. Here you go. That's number 5. The last one is Lucky Albatross from 1617. Fragrance oil, guys. It's one of my favorites. I mean, they all are. This one I call Citrus Harmony. Citrus Harmony. And here you go. This is the last one, guys. Oh my goodness. These are so unique, so special. People are gonna love them, guys. And you know, so what I'm gonna be doing, guys, is I'm gonna be taking these black bags that I have in here, and I'm just gonna place them inside, okay? I'm just gonna place them inside like this. And then just put a nice card, okay? Merry Christmas. So this is a great way for you guys to give you presents. You don't have to be looking for boxes, for gift wrapping paper or anything, guys. Just a bag like this, and you can buy it on Amazon. I'm gonna link this below, guys. They come with so many materials and so many sizes, guys. I think this is the best way for you to really you don't have all that paper inside, all that gift wrap paper, guys. This is just so beautiful, and I think it looks very bougie when it goes like that, guys. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. I made it with all my heart. I just want to show you guys, that when you make a present like this, and when you give it to someone that you love, and someone that really appreciates that, that you spend the time, and this is full of love, best wishes, for everyone. Okay, guys. So thank you so much, guys. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Don't forget to visit my website, candleromance.shop. So you can purchase some of my beautiful candles, guys. So check them out, okay, guys? And if you haven't done so, guys, please give a like to the video, guys. And also share my content with all your friends and family, guys. Until the next video, guys, be well. Take care of yourself. Bye. Yes! Success! Yes!